Hey folks, Scott Walters. Welcome back to the Bulletproof Garage with a quick video today on removing and installing core plugs or freeze plugs. So let's get started. All right, core plugs are pretty much the same on a cylinder head or on a block. We're working on a cylinder head here. To get them out, all right, pretty simple. I like something a little bit of a point to it. You can use a brass drift or something like that, but you just want to tap on one side and you can see it start to pop out there. You don't want to drive it all the way in. And take your pliers. Let's see. See if let's get this to cooperate. There it goes. All right, grab your pliers, pop it out. All right, easy day. And you can see OEM stuff is made out of metal. So is that, what is that, iron or something? And it rusts. And I've had these blow before, and that's no fun trying to change that at the back of a small block Ford in a 66 Fairlane without pulling the engine, okay? And that's why we're going to go back with brass freeze plugs. All right, now we want to clean this out, all right? I've actually already cleaned these, but it's pretty simple, all right? I just use just a wire brush on a drill. Easy day, okay? That's going to get the big chunks out, but then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back with some sandpaper. I don't use anything that's too awful aggressive. This is just 120 grit, all right? So you want to make sure that you get it nice and clean in there. Just takes a second. All right, there's that. Then with some, either some acetone or some brake cleaner, that's acetone, all right. Now there's that. Next up, okay, we're going with brass freeze plugs. These are 1.5 inches. Okay, again, brass is not going to rust on you. All right, once you've got the hole cleaned, I like to use Permatex Forma Gasket Sealant. This is the #1, all right? So this is hard setting. Folks also use Indian Head Shellac. You see some folks use RTV. I don't like RTV for this application, so, and I have got it sitting on a 15/16 impact socket, all right? Don't go crazy here. Little dab will do you. Okay, and let me go ahead and spread that out. And as far as how deep you want it in, okay, if you pound it too far in, you're just going to knock it into the water jacket, right? But you see that little lip right there, all right? So it's beveled, and then it stops. Where the bevel stops, that's how far you want it in, okay? So hammer with a soft face. All right, make sure it's going in straight. Still straight. Going in a little crooked. There it goes. All right, and we're going to call that good to go. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button down below. Please subscribe to the channel and post up a comment. Tell me what I did wrong, what I did right. And we'll see you next time on the Bulletproof Garage.